everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm in the Signature Kitchen Suite. I'm going to go over the column refrigeration. I'm using an 18-inch freezer column and a 30-inch refrigerator column. So put a heater kit together, bought them up, and now we have a 48-inch refrigerator. So without further ado, let's open up the freezer setting. Great in here, great amount of space in an 18-inch. So you got great lighting on the shelves, stainless steel interior, direct line. This is great. This is super fun. Reach in here, you know, you have the pull-out shelf for easy convenience, which everyone loves in this one. So great hinges on here. Super cool with the door, you know what I mean? You have freezer storage on the door, which is ideal and huge. You know what I mean? You pop this out. This is really where our ice maker lives and breathes. So that's pretty cool and tight. I love that. All right, so open up the 30-inch, and like I said, once again, they're joined together. You see the great lighting, you see the matching stainless steel, the adjustability of the center shelves, really on the top. When you hit the refrigeration system, you're really gonna dial in your temperature. We have our water on the left side, which is amazing. So, you know, you got nice stainless steel fixture there, but, you know, you can fill up, you know, ample amount of water, which is huge. I love that. So, you know, let's see if I can hit this and turn this on. You know what I mean? So it'll really go through the Wi-Fi enabled product. You can get your dedicated fridge temperature. It works really well on that. Great lighting, great size too. You know, you have your bin drawers here, which are nice and deep and are easy closed. They have a great shelf tray on the bottom, makes it nice and easy to wipe out. Like I said before, they're easy glide. You know, the door too, you can see this, you can do half increments on here too. It's kind of hidden as well. And it's really, and the black on the interior really makes it nice and sleek. What I do love about the stainless though in the interior is it's a really good conductor of cool and heat. So now, you know, you can keep that nice and cool. Really, even now in demo mode, you can feel how nice and chill it is. So panel ready or stainless panels as we have here. So, you know what I mean? You can pick your different fixture on there, pick your handles, but these will all match in suite with your range and with your other signature appliance products. So thank you so much and enjoy this video.